Hey, Yen here, and welcome to part 2 of this series. This series is about helping you generate your first $100,000 with dropshipping, which may seem far-fetched for most starting out, but you guys are in the right place because I've done that over 120 times now. And if you do the math, that's $10 million, over $10 million in revenue. So here are some of the revenue proof and ad spend proof on the screen right now. This is coming from Order Metrics, and it's just a simple Shopify accounting app. So I think I'm decently qualified enough to teach you guys this. So I know you guys some people may be roasting me because I create YouTube videos on dropshipping, but I enjoy it. If you guys want to start seeing results with dropshipping, you don't want to be sugar-coated. You're tired of hopping strategy to strategy. Maybe some of you guys are on a tight budget and you really need this business model to work. I'm gonna help you. Look, there's a lot of information out there right now, and a lot of people starting out are completely lost. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything in this video or series. The reason you guys are lost is because you guys don't have the proper foundation, which is why in the last video I had some book recommendations. And now the question is, how many of you guys actually went and read those books? How many of you guys actually took action? I know books may be a bit boring. Maybe watching a How I Became a Millionaire with Dropshipping video would be more enjoyable and easy. In that case, you're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make 100,000, yet alone even a dime, yet alone even make this a side income, okay? And I'm just saying this as a marketer right now. Those videos are fucking useless, and it's conditioning you to be a vegetable. The way you actually achieve results is to do the hard things and then do them over and over again with intense focus and intent. Okay? It's not by watching these weird videos, these cat video style these funny cat type of dropshipping videos, okay? It's not your guys' fault that you don't have the focus, nor am I above these things. I went through the exact same problems. This is a whole process. I'm still going through the same thing, just at a different level. Maybe you guys are watching this right now and you're looking at your phone. Maybe you're looking through other tabs. If you are, just notice that. And that's an example of how distracted you are, how weak your focus is. Some people are so distracted. Every 11 minutes they have to look at their phone. They somehow find themselves on Discord, on Telegram, on Messenger, replying to random comments, reading the news, reading tweets. It takes them 15 minutes to 30 to refocus, and then the same thing happens again. How do you expect to get things done? Being able to focus on one thing at a time, okay, it's a skill, and developing focus is a muscle. I also had to develop this. Once I did, I started getting better results. It seems like such a cliche, but people who are deep into entrepreneurship and are highly successful, you know exactly what I mean. In fact, you know that you and I aren't perfect. We're always striving for better. We know the solution is simple, but it's not easy. So let's help you guys rewire your brain today, and let's build the foundation together in this series. If you have the foundation, you're not going to find yourself mindlessly hopping from video to video, book to book. You're not going to be questioning why this business model isn't working anymore. You're going to know exactly what to do. You're going to achieve results in a much faster time than expected because we're actually going to do the hard things together. In this video, we're just going to focus on one big problem, since it's a really important one and it takes time to develop. The problem is you have poor focus. We all do. There's no shortcut to developing deep focus except just working on it. You're way too distracted. Do you guys want to make a lot of money with dropshipping? I mean, it's possible. I don't want you guys to just aim for $100,000 in the series, even though it says so. So right now, we're gonna make a full commitment, okay, to going beyond 100K together, like right now. Because if we don't make a commitment to this, and you only have one foot inside the door, you're gonna fail at the first sign of resistance or pain. You wouldn't want a significant other to only have one foot in the door and then leave as soon as they hit the first sign of resistance, the first argument. That's just setting yourself up for failure. Who said making $100,000 is easy? Would working a 9 to 5, 40 hours a week at a shitty job with idiot coworkers be easier, usually only to make 40 to 60 grand a year? Would attending college for 4 years, paying tens of thousands of dollars of debt, practically working for free, be easier? I want you guys to win and not go through all that shitty stuff. So that's why I'm not sugarcoating anything. You guys can't focus on doing one thing and then giving up after 5 minutes because you think you have ADHD, and then you laugh it off. You use it as a scapegoat. Then you scroll through Instagram and get political online, and then you wonder why you're not hitting the results you want. It takes much more energy to multitask than to do one thing. And when you're doing one thing, you're gonna complete it way faster. You're gonna do it with way more quality, and you're gonna get much more stuff done. Your days are gonna feel much more fulfilling. You're not gonna end up pulling late nights to catch up on work. You just have to make a commitment to yourself right now to get the results you want. You're gonna have to have the winner's mentality and make a commitment that when you start something, You're gonna go through with it. You're gonna stick to it no matter how big or small. You're gonna put your phone away. You're gonna close all your other tabs. You're just gonna focus on the task at hand, no matter how hard it is. And you don't have to get it perfect either. The point is just doing it and sticking to it. And by doing that, you're gonna improve nonetheless. And when you do catch yourself indulging in distractions, you're just gonna need to stop it. The more you do it, the more it's going to develop itself into something worse, and you're gonna be lost. The successful people are gonna laugh at you. It's such a joke that people with just poor focus say they have ADHD. Well, you're just using that as an excuse, and you're actually a loser, and no wonder you have no results and you're stuck in a loop. Let me give you guys a challenge, and if you can't do this, you're not cut out for this, and you should probably just not do dropshipping. You should probably not start anything until you solve this problem. You should probably just watch beginner dropshipping videos and continue to be stuck. For the next week, I want you guys, when you're working, I want you to close every tab, put your phone away, just focus on doing one thing for at least 1 to 4 hours. The people who are gonna win and go beyond, they're gonna do this for more than 1 hour. You're gonna notice you're gonna have temptations to do the opposite. You're building up the focus muscle, and that's progress. Don't see this as some special period in the day. Just see distractions as a breakaway from focus. The goal is to develop focus more intensely for longer periods of time, and to develop your ability to resist distractions, like delaying instant gratification. You need to also resist your temptations to justify your distractions. You need to be true to yourself. No saying Discord or Telegram helps keep you in touch with other entrepreneurs when you're actually just talking about random stuff. No talking on Messenger, no talking on Facebook, no Instagram and stuff like that, okay? If you have someone that is dependent on you, you need to set expectations. You need to make it clear you're trying to achieve something in life. You're trying to make it big, and why, and you actually need to make a commitment to this. If you guys can do this and you're committed, post in the comments right now to keep yourself accountable. And so I know you actually want to see videos that are gonna help you. We're not gonna get into the technical stuff yet because it's gonna be useless. You're actually gonna get more lost if I do. We're gonna do this one at a time. So that's it this week. I may consider posting another video earlier if there's enough engagement on this. I know this may not be something you guys are expecting in a part 2 in the series, but if you guys can really do this and early on, you're just gonna win. And you're gonna shit on everyone, and you're just gonna laugh at all the people trying to figure it out. And that's it. This has been Yen, and this is part 2 of the 0 to 100K series.